pagpasok mo ng room, meron na ditong drawer, sabitan, and then storage ng mga shoes natin. And then may full-size body mirror. And then eto siya, sobrang compact lang niya, may desk kung mag-wo-work kayo dito, and then meron tayong mirror pa ulit, and yan, eto na siya. Window curtain, yan. And then, yung ating bed, sobrang compact lang talaga niya. Good for couple or for single traveler lang siya. And then, ito yung ating Japanese bathroom. So, ayan, complete naman siya with hair conditioner, shampoo, and body shampoo. May sink and bathtub. Then, towels. And then, yun lang. Yung toilet. Tingnan natin mamaya.